Last year, I spent over $2,400 on software subscriptions. Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Grammarly, PowerPoint, you name it. This year I canceled every single one of them. And here's the crazy part. My workflow actually got better. In the next 12 minutes, I am going to show you the 7 free AI tools that completely replaced my paid software stack. I will show you exactly what I was paying, what I switched to, and how much I saved. The total might shock you. If you are still paying for software that AI can do for free, this video is going to save you serious money. And if you are new here, I review the best free AI tools every week. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. Starting at number 7. I used to pay $100 a year for Microsoft PowerPoint through the Office 365 subscription. Then I found Gamma. You type in your topic, and Gamma generates a complete, beautifully designed presentation in about 30 seconds. Proper layouts, relevant images, smooth animations, all included. The free tier gives you unlimited presentations. I have not opened PowerPoint in 6 months. For students, freelancers, and anyone who builds decks, Gamma is a no-brainer. The AI even picks relevant images and icons for each slide. You can restyle the entire deck with one click. That is $100 a year I will never spend again. Number 6. I was paying $22 a month for Adobe Photoshop. That is $264 a year. And honestly, 90% of the time I was using it just to remove backgrounds from images. Then I discovered Remove.bg. You upload any image, and in 2 seconds flat, the background is gone. I tested it against Photoshop's built-in remover, and for most use cases, it is just as good. Thumbnails, product photos, social media posts, it handles everything. They even have a bulk API if you need to process hundreds of images. I canceled Photoshop the same week. Number 5. Adobe Premiere Pro was costing me another $22 a month, $264 a year. I switched to CapCut, and I have not looked back. CapCut has AI-powered auto captions that are 95% accurate, one-click background removal, voice enhancement, text-to-speech, and professional templates. The desktop version has a full multi-track timeline that genuinely rivals Premiere. And here's the best part. Free. No watermark on exports. I edit every YouTube video in CapCut now. If you are paying for any video editor, try CapCut first. You will probably cancel your subscription the same day. Quick check. We are only 3 tools in, and we have already saved $628 a year. If this is blowing your mind, smash that like button. I have got 4 more tools to show you, and the savings get even bigger. Number 4, and this is the big one. I was paying $55 a month for the full Adobe Creative Suite. That is $660 a year. Canva with its AI features replaced almost all of it. Magic Write generates copy for your designs. Magic Eraser removes objects from photos. Magic Resize reformats your design for every platform in one click. And all of this is on the free plan. I use Canva for every thumbnail, every social media post, every presentation, and every brand asset. They also added Magic Media, which generates images and videos right inside your designs using text prompts. For small businesses and content creators, Canva is the one tool that does it all. Number 3. I used to pay for 2 separate research tools. Scholarcy at $10 a month and Consensus at $10 a month. That is $240 a year just to summarize and search academic papers. Google's NotebookLM does all of that for free. You upload documents, PDFs, websites, or YouTube links, and it creates an AI that is an expert on just that content. Upload a 100-page report and ask it questions like, what are the key recommendations? It even generates audio overviews that turn your documents into podcast-style discussions. For students, researchers, and anyone who deals with long documents, NotebookLM is essential. I saved 20 hours of reading time using it for a single certification exam. These last two tools completely changed how I work every single day, and together they replaced over $800 worth of subscriptions. Number 2. I was paying $12 a month for Grammarly Premium and another $13 a month for Jasper AI. That is $300 a year on writing tools. Claude by Anthropic replaced both of them. Claude is better than Grammarly at catching tone issues, restructuring paragraphs, and polishing writing. It handles 200,000 tokens of context on the free tier, meaning you can paste entire documents and get comprehensive feedback. For coding, Claude generates cleaner code than any other free tool I have tested. It also has artifacts that create interactive documents and code previews right in the chat. I canceled Grammarly and Jasper on the same day. $300 a year saved, and my writing is actually better now. And the number one tool that replaced the most paid software, ChatGPT. The free tier now includes GPT-4o, DALL-E image generation, web browsing, file uploads, and data analysis. 2 years ago, this would have cost you $20 a month. I used to pay for separate tools for brainstorming, email drafting, data analysis, and even meal planning. ChatGPT replaced all of them. The GPT store gives you access to thousands of custom AI agents for specific tasks. The memory feature means it learns your preferences over time. And the new Canvas mode lets you collaborate with the AI side by side on writing and coding. If you could only keep one tool from this entire list, keep ChatGPT. Over $500 a year of subscriptions gone. So those are the 7 free AI tools that replaced over $2,300 worth of paid software subscriptions. Every single one is free to start, and together they cover design, video editing, writing, research, presentations, image editing, and general AI assistance. I have linked every tool in the description below. Drop a comment telling me which paid software you are going to cancel first. And if you know a free AI tool that replaced something expensive, let me know. I might feature it in a future video. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I post new AI tool reviews every Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.